Hi guys, welcome back as we work on the beginning sound in words. So our first picture here is a lion. Say it with me, lion. Listen carefully as you make the first sound that lion starts with. Lion. Say it again, lion. What sound does lion start with? I hope you said L. Now we have turtle. Say it with me. Turtle. Say it again. Turtle. What sound do you hear at the very beginning? Did you hear the t sound in turtle? Our next one is zebra. Say it with me. Zebra. Say it again. Zebra. What's that very first sound you hear? Z. Now we have iguana. Say the word with me. Iguana. Say it again. Iguana. What's the first sound you hear when you say that word? Iguana. What about, oh, how cute, koala. Say the word with me, koala. Say it again, koala. What's the first sound you hear? Koala. Oh, and this little guy here is an anteater. Yum. Because don't we all love to eat ants? Okay, say the word with me, anteater. Say it again, anteater. What sound do you hear at the beginning? Anteater. Ah, 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 ah. Ooh, now we have a snail. Say the word with me, snail. Say the word one more time, snail. Look at his smile. Okay, what sound does snail start with? I hope you said snail. For snail. And our last one is bat. Bat. So say the word bat. One more time. Bat. What's the first sound you make when you say the word bat? Bat. And that also starts with the word bye.